An Indiana mother allegedly confessed to local police that she became so angry with her 6-month-old daughter that she shook the little girl, who had numerous visible injuries at the time of her death, according to the county prosecutor's office. Investigators said that the mother was fully aware that shaking a baby can be fatal after she allegedly admitted that she had researched shaken baby syndrome prior to her daughter's death. Alarive Allen, 24, of Elkhart, Indiana, has been arrested on suspicion of murder and neglect of a dependent following her baby's death earlier this month, according to an online statement shared Friday by the Elkhart County Prosecutor's Office. Formal charges are expected to be filed next week, Prosecutor Vicky Elaine Becker said, adding that Allen is being held without bond in the Elkhart County Jail until her initial court hearing on August 3 in the Elkhart Circuit Court. Newsweek reached out via email on Saturday to the Elkhart Police Department, EPD, Office of the Prosecuting Attorney of Elkhart County, and the Elkhart County Sheriff's Department for comment.